Hi, I'm Daisy, welcome back to Makeup Revolution's YouTube channel. Ignore my like really frizzy hair. It's crazily humid in London, it's raining, yet it's really hot and muggy. Yeah, thanks England. Moving on to the most exciting topic, and that is the new launch of the week, which is this Flawless Matte 2. As soon as this landed in my post box and I opened it, I messaged Adam, the owner of Makeup Revolution, and just simply said, oh my god, an incredible palette. And 100% you guys are gonna love it. So this is the packaging. It's this bronzy orangey colour and it's a metallic box. And this is your eyeshadow palette. So this is Flawless Matte 2. 32 matte shades. Now matte is just so big at the minute. Matte lips, matte eyes, super on trend. The amount of beiges and browns in the shade, which is basically this whole palette up until here, is just amazing because you can really mix and match your shades, you can really build up your colour to get the perfect nude shade that you want. I put it on now, just a really simple, natural, smoked out brown shadow, and I just think it looks stunning. I love it, and it's something you could wear for either day or night. So if you're a matte kind of girl, you're gonna love this palette. You've got the orangey tones here to reflect the box, and then you've got your greys and a navy here as well. This kind of palette is perfect for me because, as you probably might have gathered from my tutorials, I'm not that crazy, I'm not that adventurous. I like to keep it quite classic and plain. So this is my kind of palette. I love the shades in it and I would wear every single shade in this palette. These kind of like orangey reddy shades look so stunning on brown eyes. I did do a brown shadow tutorial before, so I'll pop that above now if you want to go and check that out. But I am going to swatch this whole palette for you so you can see each of the shades and the difference between all of this spectrum of nude here. And then I just done a close-up on the eye look that I just created now, so you can quickly see how the shadows apply and what they look like on. 2. What do you think of this palette? I think I'm going to be reaching for this a lot, especially for like day to day. It's just your perfect palette. But yeah, let me know what you think of this palette in the comments below, and also this eye look if you're going to give it a go. If you do give it a go, then make sure you send me your pictures. All of our links are below in the description box, as well as the link to buy this product. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do. I will pop the subscribe link on screen now. So have a really good week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Monday. Bye. Contour palette. This is the new one. It's the Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour Pro. So in this contour kit you have these 4 lighter shades and then the 4 darker shades. So I'm going to talk you all through the shades now, and also apply and contour using these powders so you can see what they look like. First up here you have this super shimmery iridescent highlighter. This is a white based highlighter, so it looks gorgeous on the cheekbones, really picks up the light.